Hello, my name is Bruce Menard and I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. And I'm currently studying mathematics education here at Northwest Missouri State University. I think that the one thing I really wanted to do when I came to Northwest was find a community that I belong to. Northwest is very much about like every student every day, and that is something that the math department especially and the education department drilled into me because they care about their students so much. Being here at Northwest has taught me real life experience within the classrooms, and especially with my education degree, we get to go out really early into our degree programs and we get to see teaching. And that transferred into how I teach. Without Northwest, I would not have been nearly the person that I am now. I wouldn't have gotten the opportunities that I would have been given, and I definitely would not have met the people that I met and be where I'm at with my teaching career.